to add these two rational expressions, we have to first find a common denominator. It means we first have to factor each of the denominators. The second denominator reminds me of the sum of cubes formula for factorization, because 2t times 2t times 2t, 2t cubed is equal to 8t cubed, and 5 cubed is equal to 125. So following out that pattern, we end up finding a factorization for the second denominator. So what we end up with here is 2t minus 3 over this one doesn't factor. You can try. If you multiply the two n numbers together, you get 100. 4 times 25 is 100. So you're looking for two numbers whose product is 100 and that add up to 10 is an impossible thing to accomplish. So that is a prime polynomial. But notice that that is exactly equal to this factor. We're going to have a 2t plus 5 in the second denominator times 4t squared minus 10t plus 25. So indeed, that's the same as the denominator of the first rational expression. So let's see what we've got here then. So we have plus. Let's move the plus sign over a little bit. So we have 1 minus 4t minus 2t squared, all divided by what we saw was 2t plus 5 times the same denominator that we had over there, 4t squared minus 10t plus 25. Looking at this, you can see that the first denominator is missing a 2t plus 5 factor. So let's give it a 2t plus 5 upstairs and downstairs here. Now the two denominators are identical, so we can combine the numerators over that common denominator. Using the FOIL method on these two binomials, we have 4t squared, that's 2t times 2t, and 2t times 5 is 10t, and negative 3 times 2t is negative 6t, and negative 3 times positive 5 is negative 15. The other numerator is 1 minus 4t minus 2t squared. So there's all of it. And in the denominator we have 2t plus 5 times 4t squared minus 10t plus 25. And then we start combining like terms in the numerator. So we have a 4t squared here and a negative 2t squared over there. So those add up to 2t squared. In the t department we have got plus 10t's here, negative 6t's here. So 10t's minus 6t's leaves 4t's. That's 4t's minus 4t's. 4t's minus 4t's leaves no t's at all. So all that's left here is negative 15 plus 1, which adds up to negative 14. Over the same denominator, 2t plus 5 times 4t squared minus 10t plus 25. And we could factor the numerator. Well, we can factor a 2 out times t minus 7, but that doesn't help us. There's no common factors. So we can leave it like this.